If you are working hard on your business but still not getting quality leads, high value clients, proper sales, or need automation, this is for you. Here what I see every day with businesses. You are running ads or outreach but conversions are low. Prospects say your pricing feel too high. You are calling leads manually. You have a team but systems are missing. Your sales pipeline is inconsistent. You know webinar, landing page or funnel will work, but you don't know how to set up that. This isn't a leads or traffic problem. It's a sales, marketing and automation path problem. No clear funnel or landing page, no structured systems, no automation guiding leads from interest to decision. Effort is there, but structure is not. I help serious business owners, coaches, consultant or agency owner with a sales funnel or landing page, marketing, AI automation that bring quality leads, high value clients. Again, this is not everyone. Book my paid business growth clarity and diagnosis call. If you are not serious, please don't.